Welcome back. I just wanted to dig this one out of the past, and I forgot about all this early work I was doing on robotics before I did a special project out of the University of Cairo. And I want to thank Carl Singlein for his videos on this and some of these early nodes, the time simulation, which doesn't come with the Google PRC anymore. Um, I think it was kind of a pick and place or like tool path. And what I did in here that I had a lot of fun, and I don't know if the angles are exactly right. I was thinking like this crazy like mesh like trowel that I could make just from a mesh surface edit, which is kind of ugly. But here it is, and it's just this weird white form. But I wanted that to be my mesh tool that actually got funneled into my, and this one I can't move, that was a custom tool plane, but funneled into my Kuka PRC kind of script. And I wanted to build this tool path, that I could then kind of mud the interior of a house or structure. And the other thing I added was Photogram's synthetic objects, synced objects, so I could actually run this. And I thought that was kind of cool. Let me hit play. I think I have to take it to false to reset and hit play. And there you go. You basically get this kind of cool machine that starts at the bottom and muds up. And it's just based on a simple curve. So if you change that curve, you're going to change kind of the frame of what's going on. You can twist it, you can move it in different directions and build these other things. And do you have enough reach? Now the problem with this is you'd mud yourself into the interior of a structure, and outside of lifting your tool out, how would you actually get your KUKA robot out of the structure after you've made it? But I thought these were really fun little scripts to start with, and I just kind of begin with that. There's nothing too tricky. They come from the templates of KUKA PRC, and then just modify them, have fun, put on your hologram syncs in case you want to have some phone access, or if you have a HoloLens, you can play with it, and create your own mesh tool extensions. And kind of register it. There's nothing too fine or precise about any of this, but the basic understanding of what you can do is kind of fun. So we shift our robot and get a little tiny one that's never going to make the stretch, and I think this one maybe can reach as well. I kind of like those ones. And what a wonderful way to like get something that's kind of visual and playful and get people inspired by working, simple curved tool paths into Grasshopper and Rhino 3D. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching. I will stop streaming and